Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you find Programming Language Tutorials section. In Programming Language Tutorials section, if you scroll to the right side, you find Python Tutorials playlist. If you click on View Full Playlist, you find all my Python tutorials where I am explaining Python in depth and step by step guys. In the previous videos, we started discussing control statements in Python. We know that control statements help us to get the control over flow of execution of code. Control statements help us to get control over flow of execution of code, and we know that there are three types of control statements, right? Conditional or selection statements, looping or iterative statements, jumping or control transfer statements. We know that if else, else if ladder, match case are considered as conditional or selection statements. They execute set of statements based on the result of a condition. In the previous video, we understood if statement and if else statement. You can see if statement and if else statement help us to check single conditional expression. If this conditional expression evaluates to true, it executes the true part, else it executes the false part, right? But what if we need to check multiple conditional expressions? To check multiple conditional expressions, we take help of elif ladder statement in Python. Elif ladder statement help us to check multiple conditional expressions. Elif is the short form for else if guys. So else if ladder statement help us to check multiple conditional expressions. So if conditional expression 1 evaluates to true, it executes statements under it. Else it checks the conditional expression 2. If conditional expression 2 evaluates to true, it executes statements under it. Else it checks conditional expression 3. If conditional expression 3 evaluates to true, it executes statements under it. If no conditional expression evaluates to true, then statements under else are executed guys. How it works? Elif ladder executes statements under the conditional expression that evaluates to true. Else if ladder statement executes statements under the conditional expression that evaluates to true. It executes statements under else if none of the conditional expression evaluates to true. Okay, let's have a demo and understand. I minimize these Word documents. Here we have the IDLE shell and the Python file. I want to write a program for displaying the day name based on its day number. So what I do, I create one variable called as day and I ask user to enter the day number from 1 to 7. So to ask, we use input function. So here in double quotations I say enter day number between 1 and 7. Okay, next I will display print day. Now what happens, this input statement waits for the user input. So user is going to enter a number between 1 and 7. That number is stored inside the day and the print function displays the value inside the day. So let's save and say run module. You see it is waiting for the input, enter day number between 1 and 7. So if I say 4, hit enter, you see 4 is displayed. That is the value stored in the day guys. But this 4, what we are seeing here, it is not a number 4. It is actually a string 4 guys. Just to prove, if I say here type of day, I want to display type of day, it definitely displays the type of day is string guys. If I save and say run module, see it is asking enter a day number between 1 and 7. I enter the 4 and hit enter. You see it is telling that it is string str. So day type is str because it is storing the string inside it, string 4. I want it to store number, okay, integer number in the day. For that we'll take help of the int function. So we give input function to int function. What int function does, it converts the string into integer. So if I give 4 string is converted to integer and stored in the day guys. And if you see type of day, it will display integer now. If I save this and say run module, it is asking enter day number between 1 and 7. I enter 4 and hit enter. You see now it is telling the class is int. So the 4 that is getting stored in the day is actually the integer number. Okay, so now we are able to get the day, right? Great. Here I am going to use elif ladder. I'll say if day is equal to 1, then print Sunday. If I save this and say run module, enter a day number between 1 and 7. So I'll give here 1, hit enter. You see it is displaying Sunday. So based on the day number, it is displaying the day name. Now we can use elif. Elif means else if day equal to 2. If day equal to 2, then print Monday. Simple. Okay, so I save this and say run module. So if I give 1, hit enter, it displays Sunday. Again I say run module. If I give 2, it displays Monday. You see that it is displaying Monday. Like this we can use else if ladder to check multiple conditional expressions, guys. So whichever conditional expression evaluates to true, it executes statements on right. So like this we can else if day equal to 3, display what? Tuesday. Hit enter. Else if day equal to 4, display Wednesday. Else if day equal to 5, display Thursday. Else if day equal to 6, display Friday. Else if day equal to 7, display Saturday. Okay, I save it and say run module. If I give 7, hit enter. So day is now 7. 7 equal to 7 is true. So it displays Saturday now. I hit enter. You see it has displayed Saturday. Okay. What if user enters a number other than 1 to 7? Okay. In that case, we have to tell you have entered the invalid day, right? So we use the else block. And here I say print and say invalid day. So user understands, okay, I entered the invalid day. I save it and say run module. It is asking enter a day number between 1 and 7. So if I give 10 and hit enter, it says invalid day, right? If I say run module, if I give -10, I hit enter, so it is telling invalid day. If I run module again, let's say 5. So now 5, day equal to 5 is this conditional expression evaluates to true. So it executes statements on it, that is Thursday it will display. I hit enter, you see it has displayed Thursday. So this is how elif ladder is going to work, guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood. Elif ladder executes statements under the conditional expression that evaluates to true. If no conditional expression evaluates to true, it executes the statements under else, guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood. For this video tutorial, this much is enough, guys. I suggest you people to try this yourself. If you have any doubts, feel free to put them in the comment section. I'll be happy to clear. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about Python in depth, step by step. For more benefits and be updated, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join as a member and get more support. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.